Okay, so quick update. As you know, I am officially doing the 100 video challenge, where I am uploading 100 videos no matter what. I don't care. I am posting all 100 videos as a complete clueless beginner just to see what actually happens. My goal? Document the absolute chaos so anyone else thinking about starting a YouTube channel can learn from my mistakes, or join me in the clown car. So it's officially been 1 week and the stats are in. Prepare to be absolutely overwhelmed. My first video got a grand total of 27 views from a whopping 118 impressions. Most of the traffic came from YouTube search, which means people actually typed words into a bar and accidentally clicked on my face. Hey, thanks YouTube algorithm. That's actually very encouraging. That video also generated 0.8 hours of watch time, with an average view duration of 1 minute and 44 seconds. Overall, I'd say that's decent. But my second video, which I uploaded 2 days ago, it got 35 views from 481 impressions. But the click-through rate is incredibly, tragically low. Like underground low. I had no idea why. But then I did some detective work and noticed something bizarre. YouTube is recommending my video alongside content about the MacBook M5, Apple M1 chips, Mac Minis, and iPhones. Basically, a tech nerd's paradise. I mean, that's cool, I guess. If Tim Cook wants to watch my journey, he is welcome. But I actually made this video for human beings who are starting a YouTube channel and are confused, not people trying to figure out if they should upgrade their laptops. So I am genuinely confused. Why is YouTube pushing my video to an Apple audience instead? Is the algorithm drunk? Maybe that is the exact reason my CTR is suffering. Tech guys are looking for benchmarks, and instead they get me talking about my feelings. If you have any idea why the algorithm is acting this crazy, or how I can fix it before my channel becomes an accidental Apple fan page, please let me know. Thanks for watching, survive the algorithm, and I will see you in the next update.